Hey guys, this is Unstoppable Trade. So I have decided to create a tutorial for free about my strategy. So I'm going to discuss every basic things about trading, like like simple terms lang. Okay? So first, let's use the tool TradingView. So you go to tradingview.com. So once you are registered, may mga grid lines yan sa background nyo. So, after that, you go to settings, and then make sure na change yung borders, color. This is my settings guys sa TradingView. You can also use your settings. Okay? So, sa body ng mga candles, yung sell ko is red, and then yung bullish ko is blue. And then sa borders, I use black. Sa wick, I also use black color. And then this one, it's default. Yeah. And then status line, this is my settings. So you can also check this one, like for the titles. And then bar change, I don't need this one. Volume, I don't need this one too. Based on my strategy, I don't need this bar change values. Volume, actually this one, I don't need this one too. What you only need is this one, and this logo to title, we can have that. And then background, we have we can have this one, I think, or no, depends. And then here, default lang ata yung, yeah, it's default one. So canvas, solid white. So depende sa iyo kung gusto mo ng black. For me, gusto ko ng white. So yung vertical na grid, ginawa ko ding white para matanggal yung grid. Crosshair, yung crosshair, itong mga line na ito, kita nyo, broken lines, yan yung crosshair. You can also have watermark if you want to, pero tinanggal ko to kasi gusto kong malinis yung chart ko. Lines, depende din sa'yo. Navigation, invincible, same lang. Trading here, buy and sell button. Oh, I can remove this one. I actually don't need this. If gusto mong mag-trade through TradingView, then you can have this. Then players and for execution, sound for execution, yeah, we can have this one. Positions, no, we don't need this one. Yan. Alerts, alert volume, pwedeng lakasan natin para marinig natin. Yan. Events. So yun guys, and after that you can save your layout. Save your layout or auto save, pwede din. Save ko na to. So basically guys, I don't use any indicators when trading. So if you want to add an indicator, pwede kayo mag-add dito. Then if you want to add some symbols here, just right click, then add to watch list. So ito yung mga list ko guys na ginawa ko. PSE, Philippine Stock Exchange, yung Forex, tsaka yung crypto. Ito wala na to. Tradings, wala na din to. Hindi ko na yung ginagamit. So, basically, yan lang talaga yung gamit ko guys. So that's the basic of TradingView, and I'll upload more tutorials about my strategy. Okay guys, that's all.